Well, that's enough of the Chili Bowl car. Thanks again for watching TmezTv, as always, but we got the camera crew here, and I think it's time for me to do an interview. So, see you later. All right, let's do this.
TmezTv!
I might even have missed my calling, as my buddy would say, because I'm really good on a street bike. I got into street bikes and was riding wheelies. With doing that, you know, you end up breaking the law. My first year was like 08 with my car. It's just a small team called me and they said, hey, you know, we'd like you to drive. And they wanted, it was like 10 grand. So I sold my whole program. I gave them 10 grand and that was it.
TmezTv, T-Mez, the dude's a personality.
I still feel like I am a kid, you know? Man, I can't stop looking at the camera. It's because I'm a YouTuber. I mean, I'm always just looking at the camera. I'm getting filmed at all angles. There was a camera guy there, and then there was a camera guy over there. I got a camera guy. I guess I am a camera guy. I have a buddy that in drifting, and he got this tattoo, and it said slide or die.
Meanwhile, T-Mez comes up alongside for second. T-Mez throws a slider. He moves up to P2.
We're in a sport where winning is really all that's good enough. That's what makes me drive hard every lap, you know, is just wanting to succeed, wanting to win for the car owners.
They'll shoot out of 4. McIntosh has got to play defense. T-Mez gets in the gas. T-Mez wins night 1 of midget week.
He is a flat out, wears his emotions on his sleeve.
What everybody stuck around for, TmezTv.
He's great when he's on the racetrack from the announcing standpoint because the fans love to see him every time he comes out.
Love you guys. Thanks for coming out.
Really, I feel like I've had a chip on my shoulder a lot of the times, and that's kind of driven me to be successful, or just to not give up, not even be successful.
He's a racer. Mezrol just wants to earn enough money to pay for the mortgage.
My bleeders never but his work fine.
No, we drove all the way across the country to let one of the rental rides have it.
Don't give up. I feel like that's the key. I've actually had to kind of claw my way to the top here.
I tend to pull the stack heats. I like to think it's stacked because I'm there too. Hey, let's not forget, this thing came out of the B main. We started 13th and drove by everybody.
I'm just a little bit more real than a lot of the guys that are racing who maybe don't have the same struggles, you know, and good for them, you know, good for their parents for not putting them through that.
I think for a lot of the fans, he's very relatable.
I laid carpet for 10 years and crawled around a lot of floors and rolled up a lot of dirty, peed-on carpet, and I don't want to do that.
He's racing to put food on the table for his children.
Having kids has helped my racing because I think it calmed me down. Oh, I wish I had that much energy. Somebody's coming. It's the toughest job I've ever had. I have cried myself to sleep because I'm doing this by myself. I wouldn't have thought I was capable, but everybody's capable. I love my kids. You just kind of do what needs to be done.
I think T-Mez winning the Chili Bowl, I think that'd blow the roof off the center there in Tulsa.
It's been a long road to get where I'm at. You know, a lot of people might do it 10 years sooner. I think now that's why on my YouTube channel, I'm always pushing, living my best life, because I really am. Let's get in and do this. I'm doing what a lot of people wish they could do, and man, I love it. I built something from nothing.